Alright guys, today we're going to be installing the hard start. Installing the hard start, we have two different kinds. We want to verify the tonnage of the equipment. On this one, I have a 3048, which is a 4-ton. And I'm going to make sure I'm using the correct size, which is a 3.5 to 5. At this point, we're going to verify voltage is off. Which it is. We're also going to dissipate power on our capacitor in case it's storing electricity for safety. Alright. I've taken a piece of metal. I've cut it to the correct length to hold and support the hard start. I'm going to secure it to the cabinet with a Next, we're going to secure the relay to the cabinet, making sure all wires are out of the way. Nice and snug, wires out of the way. Finally, two wires on the hard start, two blues. One needs to go to common and one needs to go to your compressor. Verify your compressor leg, which is your Herm terminal, is here. Other leg, it's a common. That's what we got, guys. Hard start installed. Make sure all of our wires are out of the way. We'll secure it with a couple of zip ties and we'll come right back.